Hey everybody, this is Laura with Jot and Tittle Typewriters. Our website is jotandtittletypewriters.com. On there you're going to find vintage typewriter listings, ribbons, dust covers, and typewriter pads, and then coming soon, typewriter art. And we sure appreciate visiting our website and seeing if there's anything that you can use. It helps support this channel. So would you give us a thumbs up? That's another way you can support our channel. Today I've got a number, not a number, but I've got a 1935 Smith Corona Silent Flat Top Original Green. Woo, baby, is this handsome or what? So those of you who are serious about your writing or you're a collector, this is your machine. Okay, let's take a look. It has, actually, let me just go through it a little bit. You'll see a little bit of, there's some wear on the top logo, but it's still there. A little bit of scratching here. We did not repaint this at all. We left it the same. The logos are still there, some wear on them, but it's still minor. And then if you go to the link in our listing below, description below, you'll see up close images, and you'll see that while there is signs of wear, it's minimal. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and get down and I will show you how to use this baby. First of all, we're gonna flip it up. All right, here's your tabs. So this is the bar with the grooves, and it has 1, 2, 3, it has all 6 tab keys in there, and you just pull them out and then put them where you want. This is your margins right here. You press and drag. Sorry, it's hard to. Tab keys, and you just put them in one of these grooves, margins, okay? All right, to move the carriage, you've got a lever on each side. Pull that in. Doesn't matter which side. You can hear a nice little bell. It's kind of faint, but it is there. These kind of help hold your paper in. Paper release. I don't know what that is. Oh, by the way, yes. So when you set your margins, flip that top over and you just press and drag. Okay? And then you'll see this is your paper holder. Voila. Looks like my favorite Martian. All right. We have, what do we have here? So this is your line selector right here, line selector. And that determines if you want to advance 1 or 2 lines. Yep. Okay, move this to the left, pop open the top. Inside is a fresh ribbon. And instead of, we usually use like a packaged universal ribbon that we buy in bulk. But this one, we put in a hand-rolled spool. So you get twice the amount of ribbon that you normally would on our other typewriters. So it's like you're getting a free extra ribbon on this one. Woohoo! Lucky you. Give me a thumbs up for that. Okay. Here's your escapement, your ribbons. When you change the ribbon out, make sure it's threaded properly. You just pop them up, you slide them back in, but then you gotta make sure, okay, so there's a guide wire here on each side, and then right here, there's an up close image in the product listing. That link is in the description. Make sure you look at that and thread it as the way we show it. Now the ribbon, it should be black on top and red on bottom. By the way, if you're looking for your serial number, it's right here on the right side, stamped into the frame of the typewriter. Now, green, the most common is black, but they also have maroon and green, which are a lot harder to come by. And so the price of the typewriter also takes into consideration its color, its year, its condition, you know, what we paid for it, all of that. And there is a blog post on our website that explains that. Now, when you need to reverse the direction of your ribbon, you reverse it right here, okay? That's what this is for. Also, color selector, red on top. It looks like blue, but that's supposed to be black. White in the middle, you don't want to use. That's stencil. You're not going to use it. In fact, your typewriter is not going to type with it in that. So make sure it is not on the white. You'll be able to reverse the direction of your ribbon dozens of times before you need to change it out. Okay, the original round keys, they are not glass keys, but they have the chrome on around the edges. All right, let's go ahead and do a typing demo. All right, you put your paper here, turn the handle, make sure it goes underneath the metal bar, and you can see it's crooked. Let me bring it forward. And because it's crooked, we want to fix that. So this is your paper release. Pull that forward, adjust it. Very nice. Re-engage. And you are ready to go. Okay, so no number 1. So you use the lowercase l, 1935. Oh, those feel so good. They're not stiff, but they have the just the right amount of tension. Hold on, backspace. Okay, backspace works great. Smith Corona Sterling. No, that's not a Sterling. All right, what do you do when you make a mistake? You backspace. And I made a bunch of mistakes, so I'm gonna X through this. People are like, oh, you made a mistake, you gotta start over. Oh, honey, no. You just keep going. Smith Corona Silent. This is a small font. So now while this is typing very well, this is a slow, methodical typewriter. If you're wanting to pump something out in a hurry, this is not the typewriter for you. This is thoughtful prose. This is, if you want to write a book on it, fine. But this is a book that's going to take a lot of time. If you want to do just letters, perfect, or something like that. But if you want to type fast, you know what? I would recommend something else. This is something where you want to chew on your words while you're typing. This is going to be ideal for you. It's going to force you. What I love about typewriters, it forces you to slow down and really consider your words. And this one especially, even as I'm typing, I feel it calling to me to breathe deep and just enjoy the process of writing. This is a beautiful typewriter. Can you hear that little bell? Oops, backspace. I hit 2 at once. Oh, don't need a backspace. What a sweet bell. Okay, let's do the red. I'm gonna keep going. I heard the bell. Did you hear that bell? I'm gonna keep going though. Okay, so now it's stopped on me. So I'm gonna hit margin release right here. Y'all, this is so enjoyable to type on. I don't even want to talk. Can you feel it? I hope you guys can sense that. This is a special machine and I love the sound. The sound just carried me away. I love the feel. I thoroughly enjoyed typing on this and you are too. If you have any questions, let me know. Click on the link in the description below to learn more about this typewriter and if you're interested in it. Thanks so much for watching, and please remember to give us a thumbs up or thumbs down. Just give us a thumb, not a finger, but a thumb, preferably one of these. All right, thanks so much. Have a good day.